Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be making some fur slides. I'm pretty sure that I've probably made about 4 of these already. That was years ago, but I wanted to make some different ones because I still have some fur that's laying around. So these fur I got from Etsy. I'll leave the link for the seller down in the description box down below. I think they're still on Etsy. I'm not sure. The slides I got them from Amazon, and we're going to be using some E6000 glue. And that's pretty much it. So for this one, I just add the E6000 glue all over the fur and then a little bit onto the slide. And then I just stick it on there and make sure to rub it in, like press down on the fur so it sticks onto the slides. And we're just going to let everything sit and cure overnight for 24 hours. And that's pretty much it. Quick and simple. It's the same method that I used years ago when I first was making slides. And they actually hold up a lot. I still have the Jamaican one that I made. And the light brown one, I gave it to my aunt in 2023. And they look pretty good on her, so a win is a win. So I'm going to add the E6000 glue now all over the slides, just in case if I miss any spots, that it sticks on there properly. So we're going to be going very generously with the glue, just like what you guys are seeing me do here. Making sure that I don't miss a single spot. I'm pretty sure that I have more than enough glue. So this is how it looks, and all I'm going to do is make sure that I place it on there properly, that I don't just lean it over to one side, and that the fur is not just sticking onto the glue, if that makes sense. Do you see the sides? Perfect. Just pop it on there and press down all over it. I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Now I'm just going to be squeezing everything down so everything sticks on there, and kind of rub the glue all around. Press, 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 and that is it. And it looks amazing. It looks nice and fluffy, which is absolutely perfect. I can wear these indoors or outdoors, whichever way how I want, which will absolutely be perfect. Now we're going to do the exact same thing to the other sides as well. Just add the glue on there, add the glue onto the fur. This top is completely falling off. Well, this round part is completely falling off of me. Well. It's looking good so far. Surprisingly, I didn't get any glue all over. Well, okay, because there's glue falling on my blanket. I was going to say nothing fell on my blanket or stick on there, but I guess I'm mistaken. After I add the glue onto the slides, all I'm going to do is just stick this. Wait, what am I doing now? More glue. Going to be adding it onto the slides, onto the fur. Which I really didn't need it because it's all over the slides already, but I felt like if we needed more. Is there any glue stronger than an E6000? I don't know. I don't think so. So I'm showing you guys how I did the slides. Generous amount of glue. And now the fur. It looks pretty good. Front, back, corners, and corners. And all you're going to do is just stick it on there. Very easy, very simple. Just squeeze it in, rub it in, press down hard on it. so that the glue, the fur, all of that just stick together perfectly. And voila, I just love playing with the fur. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna let it sit and dry overnight or however long an E6000 glue takes to dry. And this is how it looks. Absolutely stunning. I love it. And this is how it looks out in the sun. The sides are completely covered. It's just nice, big, and fluffy. It just looks so cute. Wow, wow, wow. Love it so much. And this was pretty easy and a pretty cheap DIY. And that's why I love it. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.